Anyone can say their product performs. We wanted proof. So we put 1800 series sprays through a set of tests called Spraynalysis. Nowadays, you're faced with tight watering windows, tight water restrictions, and even tighter budgets. Nozzles with high water uniformity can help you overcome these challenges through shorter run times, less water use, and lower water bills. Only Rainbird offers uniform coverage in a fixed or variable arc solution. Our fixed arc U-Series nozzles deliver even coverage and efficient close-in watering. For uniform coverage plus 0 to 360-degree adjustability, we also offer high-efficiency variable arc nozzles, or HEVANs for short. We turned both of these rock stars over to the Center for Irrigation Technology for independent testing. The first test focused on distribution uniformity, or DU, which is a measure of how evenly water is applied to a zone. To confirm DU, they set up a grid of catch cans, ran sprays for 10 minutes, and recorded the water in each catch can. The more consistent the amounts of water across the grid, the higher the nozzle's DU. In the independent test, Rainbird nozzles outperformed the competition. HEVAN and U-Series consistently achieved a DU of 78% or higher. For you, those results mean even watering and no dry spots. Another way to judge a nozzle is scheduling coefficient, or SC. This is a measure of the actual runtime needed to water an entire zone. The lower the SC, the shorter the runtime needed to ensure the driest spots get enough to drink. To measure SC, the Center for Irrigation Technology recorded how long it took Rainbird nozzles and competitive nozzles to adequately water an area. The Rainbird nozzles finished watering after 12 minutes. But competitive nozzles took up to 16 minutes, wasting valuable time, water, and Washingtons. Put into technical terms, the HEVAN and U-Series both achieve scheduling coefficients of 1.2, just a hair away from a perfect 1.0. What's the bottom line? With high DUs and low SCs, Rainbird nozzles are the reigning champs of water efficiency, leaving the competition in the dust. And that can help you take your business to greener places. Anyone can say their product performs. We wanted proof. So we put 1800 series sprays through a set of tests called Spraynalysis. It's a dirty world out there. During installation, dust and grit can collect in the irrigation line. This debris can clog the nozzle and disrupt the spray pattern. For the sudden sand influx test, we added grit to the line and turned on the water. 95% of Rainbird sprays showed no pattern disruption, but up to 20% of competitive sprays surrendered to the grit. With Rainbird, you won't have to worry about plugged nozzles. That means fewer profit-draining callbacks and more time to build your business. Installation isn't the only time dirt can get into a system. As spray heads settle, they can pull harsh grit into the stem and body that can block nozzles and lead to stick-ups. To test this, Rainbird and competitive sprays were installed in sandy below-grade conditions and turned on and off 150 times. 90% of Rainbird sprays performed without a hiccup. Meanwhile, a third of competitor 1 sprays and half of competitor 2 sprays clogged completely. That means you won't have to worry about clogs or stick-ups with the legendary Rainbird 1800 series. The same can't be said if you install a knockoff. You need a durable spray, one that performs day in and day out, year after year. Known as the Lifecycle Test, Rainbird and competitive sprays were turned on and off until they kicked the bucket. The competitive sprays threw in the towel after a little more than 11,000 cycles. Meanwhile, Rainbird sprays lasted nearly twice as long. It all comes back to superior engineering. The nozzle, the rugged co-molded wiper seal on the 1800 series, the patented triple blade wiper seal on the RD 1800 series. Both wiper seals form a tight lock to keep water in and grit out. Let's face it, the world is tough on Rainbird sprays, but we've built them to be even tougher, and that means you can rest easier.